Hey guys, it's Bray the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Super excited about this video. We have a $100 CVS gift card giveaway in this video, so if you want to enter, definitely stay tuned. We are going to be going over some amazing must-do deals for CVS, and at the end, I'm going to be showing you 2 transactions that you can do, very beginner-friendly, how to roll your rewards, and how to use Fluz gift cards to get your out-of-pocket cash cost to $8.10 for 9 products. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys. And if you are new to my channel, take a second, hit the red subscribe button and that notification bell. So when I do post new videos every week about ways that you can save hundreds of dollars every single month, you'll be notified and you can take advantage of the deals, the savings, implement the strategies that I teach on my channel all the time. This is how I have been able to pay off my credit card debt, pay off my car loan 2.5 years early. This is exactly how I did it, by couponing and keeping my out-of-pocket cost super low. That is always my main objective. I know a lot of people get mad when couponers say things are free or they're super cheap or it's a moneymaker, yet they're spending $20, $30, $40 out of pocket. On my channel, I focus on a low out-of-pocket. I want to keep the money in my pocket and I want to keep the money in your pocket. So that's why I have those example transactions at the end. This video is also sponsored by Fluz. I'm going to show you on the Fluz app exactly how you can get a Fluz gift card for CVS, get 35% cash back, and even if you're a current Fluz user, I'm going to show you a campaign they're doing and how to enter so every single person can get some additional Fluz vouchers. Okay, so first let's hop into the coupon inserts. We are getting 2 on Sunday, a Smart Source and a Unilever. I love the Unilever inserts because they have a ton of good coupons. We are getting so many Dove coupons for the deodorant, for Dove Men, for Dove Hair, for Dove body wash, you name it. We're getting Axe coupons, Tresemme coupons, so on and so forth. I've been sharing on my channel for Target and Walmart. There is so much clearance going on for hair care. So you can use these coupons on those products and get them extremely cheap, if not free. I always order mine online because not every region gets every insert. Sometimes regions don't get any inserts. Sometimes people go through and take all the inserts out of the newspapers. I've run into all those issues in the past. So what I do is I order mine online. BQ already has them up on her website ready to go. So I order from them because I get them in typically 2 to 3 days. They ship from Pennsylvania and I'm in Florida, and it gets to me in 2 to 3 days depending on, of course, when I order it. So if you guys want to go that route, definitely do so. It's linked in the description box. And if you use code BREE10, you'll get 10% off your first order. There is another website that I recommend as well, Sunday Coupon Inserts. They're a little bit cheaper. You can pick what route you want as far as shipping, but it can take 5 to 7 days for you to get your coupons. So then you're going to be missing out on using them for quite a while. That's why I would rather just pay for them to be sent through BQ. Another question I get all the time, is it worth it to buy inserts to save money? Yes, 100 times yes, every single time yes. I've never ever not been able to pay myself back and save 10 times the amount that I spend on inserts. If you think about it, if you get 1 coupon for free Airwick, like we've gotten in the past, right? That coupon in the last couple inserts was up to a $3.99 value. I get a 4-pack, so I have 4 of those coupons. Say the inserts cost me $16. That 1 coupon alone, I use all 4 of them, I'm getting $16 worth of Airwick, plugs, starter kits, whatever, for free. So right there, that 1 coupon I used, I just paid myself off buying the inserts. Then any other coupons I use after that, I'm saving money. So that's why it is always, always worth it. Also, you can get the higher value coupons when you order online versus what may or may not come in your newspaper. So that's just what I do. That's my experience. Totally up to you. If you want to go the newspaper route, I just at least recommend getting some kind of inserts for Sunday because there's a lot of great deals that you can use them on. Okay, this is how you can enter the giveaway. We are going to be giving away a $100 CVS gift card sponsored by Fluz. All you have to do to enter is be a current subscriber of my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, take a second and double check below the video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Like this video and drop a comment below. I want to know, what are your financial goals for 2022 that couponing and using apps like Fluz can help you achieve? I like to think big picture. It's not just about saving $1, $2, $10, 50 cents. It's about adding all that up and what can I put that towards? So I want to know, is couponing this year going to help you buy a car, save up for a vacation, pay off debt sooner, pay off student loans like I'm doing? Let me know in the comments below. Winner is going to be announced on Wednesday, the 26th, in my video that I post that day. So make sure you have the notification bells clicked so that way when I post that video, you'll be notified that I uploaded it and you can check to see if you are the lucky winner. More often than not, giveaway winners don't ever reach out to me. So you want to make sure that you don't do that and that you don't miss out on a $100 gift card. Okay, this is how every single person can get more Fluz vouchers, okay? Whether you're new to Fluz or you're using Fluz right now, doesn't matter. If you're new to Fluz, use code BRIE coupon queen 21. You'll get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back. Then what you can also do, linked in the description box, is the link to the Fluz post on their Facebook page. All you have to do, this is right from them, share your favorite store that you use Fluz for, whether it's CVS, Starbucks, whatever. Put your Fluz username in the comments. That way they can award your account the Fluz vouchers, and like and share that post and then tag a friend. It says tag a friend who wants more Fluz vouchers. And I know what a lot of you are thinking, but I don't know anybody who uses Fluz. That doesn't matter. Just tag someone. All they want to do is get the word out there about Fluz and how much money you can save using the app. So just tag someone in the post. This promotion ends February 14th, so it's going to end on Valentine's Day. So make sure you guys do this now so you don't forget, okay? Let's get into these deals. So Pampers diapers, great deal on Pampers. They are $10.99 each. Buy 3, get a $10 extra back. There's also a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Then check to see if you have a 5 off of 30 diaper CRT, 5 off 20 diaper CRT, whatever the case may be. Sometimes we'll even get 2 off 2 Pampers CRTs. I haven't had one of those in a while, but I have seen them. So definitely check your accounts, see what you have. You'll pay $24.97 out of pocket, or you can pay with extra bucks. Get back a $10 extra buck, makes it $14.97 for 3 bags, making them $5 per bag, which is a great deal. That's still going to be saving you more money than if you go to Walmart and grab them. Here is an easy deal, no coupons needed. Anyone can go in and do this deal. So it says any You Buy Kotex is buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. The security liners are the cheapest products on for this You Buy Kotex. They're $1.79. So the second one would be half price. You'd pay that out of pocket, get back a $2 extra buck, makes it 34 cents each. So really, really good deal there. Crest Scope, another beginner-friendly deal. So they are $4.99 next week. Buy 1, get a $3 extra buck. The limit on this is 2, so that's a typo, my bad. Limit is 2. So you're gonna grab one, use the $1 off 1 digital coupon. You can find that on the CVS app. You'll pay $3.99, get back a $3 extra buck, makes it 99 cents. I typically say $1 or less for oral care is definitely a good price, especially when you're going from $5 to $1. That's like 80% off, so definitely a good deal. Okay, I have two different scenarios for this. There's a ton of products included. So you can do Dove, Degree, Axe, St. Ives, Caress, Shea Moisture, so on and so forth. They're buy one, get one half off, and buy four, get a $5 extra buck. So one thing you can do is grab a large bottle of Vaseline for $8.79, then grab a small bottle for $2.49. The small bottle regular price is $4.99. So that one would be the half price because it's the lesser valued product. Then you can grab 2 Axe stick deodorants for $7.29, and then the other one's half off. So that'll bring you to $22.21. We have a $2.50 off 2 Vaseline coupon coming in our Unilever. Check to see if you have a 2 off 10 lotion CRT. Then you're going to use 2 $1.50 off 1 Axe coupons in our Unilever. You'll pay $14.71 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck, and there's an Ibotta rebate. Says it expires in 5 days, so it should still be valid if you do this deal on Sunday or maybe even Monday. As I always say though, number one, check your Ibotta account. Do you have this rebate? Is it still valid? Check when it's expiring for you. You got to do a little bit of homework and make sure that you know the rebate is available before you go to the store so you don't get disappointed. So that'll make your final cost $8.21 for 4 products, or $2.05 a piece. Really, really good deal because the large Vaseline is $8.79. You're getting it for $2.05, 75% off. So great deal. Hauls, I have one of these already. I actually haven't tried it yet. I don't know how well a mini would work versus like the normal size. Let me know in the comments if you've tried these. Do you like them? Do you not? I haven't had like a sore throat or like a cough or anything to like try them yet, but definitely let me know. So only the Halls minis are included in this promotion. They're 2 for $8. We're getting $1.25 off 2 coupons in our insert. Then check to see if you have a $2 off Halls mini CRT. I've gotten that before. You'll pay $4.75, get back a $1 extra buck for buying 2. Makes your final cost $1.87 per pack. So not a bad deal. Always good to stock up on different things like this, medicines, vitamins throughout the winter, because that's when a lot of people are, catching colds and getting sick and things like that. Here is the second option for the buy 4, get a $5 extra buck. You can grab 2 Dove hair and 2 Dove deodorant. Total is going to be $19.46. I have a 2 off 7 Dove deodorant CRT that I can add in. We are getting $1.50 off 1 Dove coupons in our $1.23 insert for the deodorant. And we're getting a 2 off 2 Dove hair coupon. Now, if you have the printable coupons that you can get when you sign up for the emails on dove.com, a lot of people ask me, how do I do that? You go to dove.com and then you can sign up for their emails. It's right on their website, super easy. They'll send you emails like, once a week or something. It's nothing crazy, but check all of their emails, because if you scroll down to the bottom, sometimes it'll say like see savings or explore savings or whatever. That means there's coupons in that email. So if you have $1.50 coupons from the previous emails that are still valid, you could use 2 of those instead of the 2 off 2. That would save you an additional $1. But if you do it this way, you'll pay $12.46, get back a $5 extra buck, makes it $7.46 for 4 products, or $1.85 a piece, which is great for Dove. Also, submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Dove gives you some bonus points. Suave Hair Care. Here's an amazing deal. So Suave Professional Select Ones are $2.99. Buy one, get a $1 extra buck. The limit is 2. So you're going to grab 2 in one transaction. They're $2.99 each. We are getting a 3 off 2 in our $1.23 Unilever insert. You'll pay $2.98, get back a $2 extra buck, right? Because you're buying 2 bottles, so $1 per bottle. So it'll just print as one $2 extra buck. Makes it 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. Here's a great deal on hair care. So it's spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. What you can do is grab 2 Head & Shoulders and 2 Herbal Essences. Use the Head & Shoulder digital and the Herbal Essences digital coupon if you haven't used it yet. Then check to see if you have a 4 off 18 hair care CRT. You'll pay $14, get back a $5 extra buck. makes it $9 for 4 products or $2.25 each. Now remember, all the hair care counts towards CVS Beauty. So if you haven't hit beauty yet for the month of January, all of these will track towards it. Then when you hit beauty, I posted it on my Instagram, how you figure out what products are included in that free beauty product CRT that you'll get. So definitely check it out on my Instagram if you need help with that. But always nice to get a little freebie. There's a couple different products you can grab ranging from like $3 to $5. So always nice to grab a free product. Okay, let's get into these transactions. So before we get into the transactions, I want to show you how to get a gift card on Fluz. So again, if you're new to Fluz, my code is Bree Coupon Queen 21. You are going to get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back, okay? So what you're going to do is open Fluz. Then you are going to search for CVS, and you are going to click on it. Whatever store you want to use and search for gift cards on, just search it right there at the top. So now when you open up the next screen, it's going to ask you, what do you want to pay? Do you want $10, $15, $20, whatever? You want to do $10 gift cards at a time because you will get back 35%. The maximum value is $3.50 plus the percent back of the store. So $10 at a time, you'll get back $3.50 plus $3.50. Do you see what I'm saying? If you get one $20 gift card, you're only going to get back $3.50 plus the percent. So trust me on that. Grab 2 separate $10 Fluz gift cards. Then you're going to hit continue. You're going to enter in your passcode, whatever you set up your passcode for. You're going to enter in your payment method. So if it's a debit card, credit card, whatever the case may be, then you need to obviously verify your bank account. So if it's a debit card, they're going to deposit like 2 cents or 4 cents or whatever in that bank account. So then you just have to say, okay, Fluz, you posted 4 cents in my account. That way it knows that it's not like a stolen account or a stolen card or anything like that. So it's just for your protection and for theirs. Then you are going to get digital gift cards. It shows up right on the CVS app, okay? I'm sorry, not the CVS app, right on the Fluz app. So you're going to show the barcode right to the cashier. They're going to scan it right from your phone. Make sure they click gift card first on their side. Then they're going to scan it and they're going to type in the PIN number. And then it's going to cover it, okay? So these are the transactions. Grab 2 of the Suave Professionals. Then you're going to grab 2 of the Kotex liners. And you're going to grab 1 Crest Scope. So the coupons are $4. You're going to pay $9.65 plus taxes out of pocket. But you're going to show them that first gift card, scan it, it's going to cover that. Say the taxes run a little bit more, then open up your second gift card, have them scan it, it'll cover the rest of that, okay? Then you're going to get back a $2 extra buck, a $2 extra buck, and a $3 extra buck. That's going to print on your receipt. Now your second transaction, give them the Dove hair and the Dove deodorant. After coupons, you're at $12.46, but you have $7 in extra bucks. Hand that to the cashier, they're going to scan it. Now you're going to pay $5.46 plus taxes with that same second Fluz gift card, okay? They're going to scan it again right from your phone. Just leave it up right on your phone. Here is the final cost breakdown. All you paid was $20 on the Fluz app for 2 separate $10 gift cards. You got back $3.95 per gift card, and you have about $4 left over, depending on the taxes in your area, on that second gift card that you can use next week. So your final cost is $8.10 for 9 products, making it 90 cents a piece. That is cash cost. That is out-of-pocket cost. How amazing is that? That's why I love using apps like Fluz, because you're gonna be spending the money out of pocket anyways. You may as well use an app to get some cash back for spending the money. If you guys have any questions or anything, drop a comment below. Don't forget to enter in the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I will see you next time.